Hello, this is Sam from the Structural Numerical Research Center, and this time we are going to review a fully practical tutorial in Abaqus software. So focus first, pay attention to me, and let me briefly examine the importance of this phenomenon in structures and our life. As a technical question, what is progressive collapse? Progressive collapse can be defined as a collapse of all or a large part of a structure precipitated by failure or damage of a relatively small part of it. GSA, which stands General Service Administration in 2003, offers a somewhat more specific description of this phenomenon. They said progressive collapse is a situation where local failure of a primary structural component leads to the collapse of adjoining members, which in turn leads to additional collapse. And in this figure, as you can see, we are facing a blast occurring adjacent to the exterior column. Beams, these beams. Beams on the top of these columns tend to transient their loads to the column around itself. These columns. But the perimeter columns are not capable of carrying double the load, so they will buckle. One column after another will buckle, and in a few seconds the floor will be lost just as easily, and exactly like falling dominoes. In this tutorial, we are not going to look further at this theory of progressive collapse, and I tried to make it very simple. I hope you have noticed maps. So let's build a structure in Abaqus and examine its progressive collapse.